Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung really took the criticism of the S20 Ultra to heart and literally fixed everything wrong with the camera of the phone with the S21 Ultra, and now the company is planning to take their camera game to a whole new level. So according to Ice Universe, Samsung will be bringing an improved periscope camera with continuous zoom functionality to the S22 Ultra. Now with the current setup, the periscope zoom units have fixed lenses and they need to use digital zoom from the primary or a separate intermediate zoom lens like the 3x telephoto we saw on the S21 Ultra before the periscope camera kicks in. But with this new technology, the lenses inside the periscope zoom modules will be able to move freely from anywhere between 3x all the way up to 10x, completely getting rid of a separate 3x or 2x telephoto lens. This is similar to how DSLR zoom works, where you have manual control over the zoom, and Samsung will be bringing this tech to mobile devices next year. So I'm really excited to see this tech on the S22 Ultra. Although the S21 Ultra already has a pretty good camera setup for capturing anything between 3x to 10x, you have to rely on the hybrid zoom and the quality is not that great. Samsung LSI has reportedly developed this continuous zoom periscope camera for the S22 Ultra, but this isn't the first time that we are seeing continuous zoom on a phone. The Sony Xperia 1 III's periscope camera could switch between 3x and 4.4x optically, but Samsung's solution can go up to 10x and hence it is superior. Now the phone won't only get the newer periscope camera but an under-display camera as well, and this is something that is confirmed to happen on the Z Fold 3 as well, with the marketing materials that leaked a few days back. So by the time the S22 Ultra comes out, Samsung will already be on the second generation of the under-panel camera technology and hopefully would have improved it further. Also, the phone will get the new AMD graphics that Samsung has been working on with AMD for close to 2 years, which will be better than ARM's Mali GPU that the current Samsung devices use. According to a new report coming out of South Korea via Korea Economic Daily, Samsung will launch its next flagship Exynos chipset, probably Exynos 2200, in the second half of this year, and it could first debut in an ARM-based Windows 10 laptop. So the S22 Ultra will also get it, and hopefully it will be able to compete with the likes of the Apple A15 Bionic chip coming later this year. That's for next year, but Samsung still has 3 new phones to launch this year: the S21 FE, the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. So a new report from Yonhap News claims that Samsung is in talks with South Korean mobile carriers to launch the 3 phones sometime in late August. Now until now we were hoping that these phones will be launched in July and released in August, but this is still early compared to last year's launch timelines, with the Z Fold 2 launched in September while the S20 FE was launched in October. The report also says that the Galaxy S21 FE could be priced around 700,000 Korean won or around $630 in South Korea, which is a lot cheaper compared to the 900,000 won the S20 FE was launched for in the country. Also in the news, Samsung is preparing to launch yet another handset in the A series with the Galaxy A82 5G, which is based on the Galaxy Quantum 2 launched in South Korea. The phone is supposed to get similar specs to the Quantum 2, so we can expect a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with a QHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate although restricted to 1080p, along with an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It will also get a 10-megapixel selfie camera and a triple camera setup at the rear with a 64-megapixel primary, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 5-megapixel macro with OIS and 4K video recording. What's interesting is that the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus from 2019 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, along with 5G, IP67 water and dust resistance and a 4500 mAh battery with 25 watts of fast charging. So that's it for this video. Do tell me your opinions on the S22 Ultra and all the new features that it's going to get in the comment section. Also tell me which phone you guys are most excited about, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and smash the like button. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.